Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Abashir Altaf, and today my topic is what it means by post-colonial criticism. In order to understand the post-colonial criticism, we must go into the history to understand a few of its concepts. In fact, what happened in the late 15th century, Spain, France, England, Portugal, and the Netherlands were the main contenders for the plunder of the natural and the human resources of the other world. And over the next few centuries, European empires extended themselves around the globe. During the 19th century, Britain emerged as the largest imperial power, and by the turn of the 20th century, the British Empire ruled 1/4 of the Earth's surface, including India, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, Ireland, and significant holdings in Africa, the West Indies, South America, the Middle East, and the Southeast Asia. British colonial domination continued until the end of the World War II, when India and Pakistan gained independence in 1947, and other colonies gradually followed the path of independence. By 1980, Britain had lost all but a few of its colonial holdings. Post-colonial criticism analyzes literature produced by the culture that developed in response to colonial domination, from the first point of colonial contact to the present. Some of this literature was written by the colonizers, for example, A Passage to India by E.M. Forster. And much more of it was written and is being written by colonized and formerly colonized peoples. For example, Kanthapur by Raja Rao, Twilight in Delhi by Ahmad Ali, The Ice Candy Man by Bapsi Sidhwa, A Train to Pakistan by Khushwant Singh. Now, post-colonial criticism seeks to understand the operations of the colonialist and anti-colonialist ideologies. For example, a good deal of post-colonial criticism analyzes the ideological forces that, on the one hand, pressed the colonized to internalize the colonizers' values, and on the other hand, promoted the resistance of colonized people against their oppressors, a resistance that is as old as colonialism itself. And as we can see, because colonialist and anti-colonialist ideologies can be present in any literary text, so we can apply and analyze any text from the post-colonial perspective. This was the brief introduction of the post-colonial criticism. For more information, for more knowledge, you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button, so my upcoming videos you can watch and enjoy and learn. Take care. Allah Hafiz.